Today I will discuss the another topic, means the another classification of cardiac drugs, that is diuretics. So a diuretics is any substance that promotes the diuresis, the increased production of urine. This includes forced diuresis. All diuretics increase the excretion of water from the body. Diuretics, also called water pills, are medications designed to increase the amount of water and salt expelled from the body as urine. There are three types of diuretics. They are often prescribed to help treat high blood pressure, but they are used for other conditions also. So, the indication of use of diuretics are in case of high blood pressure, in case of edema or swelling treatment, and in acute and chronic renal failure, we use the diuretics medications. So, there are some examples of diuretic medication. There are mainly three types of diuretics. First one is loop diuretics, such as Lasix, which is coming under furosemide. Number two is thiazide diuretics, like chlorthalidone. Number three is potassium sparing diuretics, including spironolactone, aldactone, and amiloride. Number four, coming to carbonic anhydrase inhibitor, such as Diamox, and Diamox is mainly used for glaucoma and altitude sickness also. Next, when not to take diuretics, means in which case we will not provide diuretics. In case of liver or kidney disease, we will not provide diuretics. In case of dehydration, if the patient have dehydration, if the patient have irregular heartbeat, in that case also we will not provide diuretics. If the age is more than 65 years, if the patient have gout problem, and if the patient is allergy to sulfur drug, in that case also we will not provide diuretic drugs. Next, coming to the common side effects of diuretics. These are dizziness or headache, thirstiness, rash or itching, and increased cholesterol level. So these are all